on the other side of your heel.
Hi.
Whose car is the green one?
Blue.
Oh, that's not blue, that's green. Is that Goofy's car?
Charlie, look at you got more gifts. You want to open them up? Here, pull.
And there's one next to you.
You gotta pull.
Dancy, dancy, dancy.
Whoa!
See, that's
Oh,
that's a little tow truck
Elvis
one.
does stuff.
Show mommy.
The bottom one is a little older. You need that. You probably need to put that one away.
Oh, you want to open this
Yeah,
one too?
open that one. He'll love that one.
Charlie, look at. Look at.
Whoa, we don't need that to open presents.
Here, bud. Pull. Here.
This is Charlie's.
Did you save the bows, Mom?
Yes, over here.
Yes.
Over here, kid.
Charlie, pull.
Oh.
This is Charlie.
What is this, Charlie?
Oh.
Is this from your favorite store?
Home Depot tools.
It's your toolbox, buddy. Your own toolbox like Daddy's.
Charlie, what'd you get?
The juice box. Yay! Toolbox.
Toolbox, Charlie. Not a juice box.
Big tools in it. A hammer.
You got a hammer? Look at it, Charlie. You get to carry it like Daddy carries his around.
A hammer. You got a
Here,
hammer.
Charlie.
Can you show mama? Come here, show mama.
Show Mama. Show Mama.
Actually, Dad might use that toolbox. I need another one.
Can you say help, please?
Open it up, you can see your tools.
Right here, look at.
Oh, look at the
Charlie, look at it.
Look at all the tools. Oh, let's fix the tool here, kid.
Thank you.
Oh, another measurer or no measurer?
Thank you, baby.
Oh, there's a tape measure in here.
Nice, baby.
Look at it, Charlie. It's all the tools you were playing with yesterday.
Oh, nice baby.
Here, look at it. What's this one?
Ooh,
What are those?
Here,
Pliers?
Charlie.
That's how you fix it.
What's this, Charlie?
Measure.
A tape measure. Then you wind it up. There you go. What's this? Screwdriver. Very cool.
Philip's house.
This is
It's
awesome.
really cute.
Dad found that. He said, "Oh, we gotta
Very
get this
cool.
one
It's
for
awesome.
Charlie."
Charlie, look at you can practice hammering. Look at. Here, put your hammers. Use your hammer. Now use the hammer. Rick, use your hammer.
Hammer
Hammer.
that nail in there.
That's really good, isn't it? I was afraid.
Better than mommy.
Look at.
Here, you want to hammer this one? No, hammer. Okay, don't hit Daddy's thumb. Oh, Daddy didn't hold it too well. There you go.
Ow, ow, ow. Charlie, that is good.
Oh, we got another nail.
You know something? He's doing holding the hammer the right way, too.
Good job, bud.